Good morning. I am Vinicius Alves. I am product manager at Hedro. At Hedro, we like to call ourselves Industry 4.0 enablers because we develop smart sensors that can digitalize old machines and connect them to the Internet of Things. Talking more about the sensor, that is the H1.3 sensor. This is a wireless magnetic accelerometer that have many embedded algorithms inside of it that it can handle the data and send the data. And depending on the configuration, the battery can last for about 10 years. And before I'm talking about how it works and the configuration, let me show two cases of application of this sensor. The first one, it's in the steel sector, where we evaluate the vibration of mechanical equipments related to the rolling mill process. Those equipments are related to mechanical failures that can cause loss or even stop the production. So as the sensor can detect the abnormal behavior of this vibration, we develop a product called Dynamic Analysis of Lamination. ADL is the acronym in Brazilian Portuguese. The second application is the vibration test on cars, where we help the engineers while they handle a lot of hundreds of wires. So as the sensor is wireless, they do not need to do that anymore. On the screen, we are seeing the vibration collected from a sensor that was placed on the driving wheel. So how we can adapt the sensor to those environments, specific environments? First, you choose a location where the sensor will be installed. The second one, you choose which variable you measure by selecting which algorithm to activate it. And the third step, you configure each one of these algorithms. Of course, at this step, the knowledge you have about the equipment and the process will help. But you can explore anything changing the configuration of the sensor. And like I said before, we like to call ourselves Industry 4.0 enablers. And by that, we act as a bridge, providing a hardware that is capable enough of being installed in many environments, help to acquire data to solve different problems, and connect companies to Inditex through partnerships. And those are the benefits of our solution. I think that one that I did not mention is that the data is for the client. We do not lock it in our cloud system. And as it made possible the projects that I mentioned, it also made possible the project that we did with ITP Aero, where their machines were monitored during the machining process.
Thank you. Well, so as you know, in ITP Aero, we are going through a period of digitalization and manufacturing data science, where turning process monitoring is crucial. So the aim of this project was to anticipate to catastrophic failures of the cutting tool by placing EDO sensors on strategic points of the turning machine. During the trials, these sensors were placed very close to the cutting tool, simulating a critical machining operation for ITP. And we were able to find a correlation between the vibration data coming from the sensors and the tool wear. The higher the vibration perceived from the sensors, the higher the tool wear was. In the end, and due to these good results, we decided to continue with a project between ITP and Hedro with further investigations. And, well, this is all, and thank you for your attention.